Hi, it's Jonathan Clark here. Now, one of the things you'll see all day, every day, being advertised on Facebook and Instagram is the online course. Now, either somebody selling you theirs or offering a £3,000 training in how to build a course of your own, right? So the concept is that members pay you a monthly fee to access your material in a secure website. The benefit to you is that you have regular, consistent money coming in every month from work you did once. So in this video, I'd like to show you how to create one of these money-making assets, an online course of your own, and save yourself about £3,000. The correspondence courses started in the UK about 170 years ago, where students could study modules, complete an assignment, and then post it off to be marked and returned by the tutor. That's actually how I got into personal development in the 1980s. But the problem with distance learning was the transit time that it took for homework to get marked and posted back. The University of Illinois had an intranet of linked computers back in 1960, where students could log on and listen to recorded lectures and then answer tests electronically. When the internet came along in 1994, people could study at home thanks to AOL, and the transit time shrank to minutes. Once faster streaming technology became watchable and video became watchable, the porn industry was quick to see the potential and invited men to secretly pay a monthly fee to access video content on a website somewhere. Then the concept grew into other human endeavours like education, personal development, and fitness. So you've probably seen online course platforms like Udemy or Coursera, which offer you a space to house your course. By 2009, over 5 million people worldwide were studying online. At the time of this recording, I've got 2 online courses, InstantEdgeOnline.com, and this is huge, so I'm showing you a quick mind map page to show you how big it is. This is a year-long deep dive marketing program into how to market your business. There's also Turn Your Contacts into Contracts, which is a complete 10-module training in how to do business networking in a way that actually gets you paying clients. But there's a couple of problems when it comes to creating an online course. First of all, you don't know what to choose as your topic. What does little old me know that anyone would want to listen to? Maybe you're put off or paralysed at the thought of all the tech challenges. You're going to need a new website as a container for your lessons. You'll be shooting some video tutorials and you need to be able to take payments online. That sounds complex, but bear with me and I'm going to make it easier for you. Some people struggle with the amount of time that it takes to build a course. So they never get started because it just feels like an overwhelming tidal wave, you know? Then there's worrying about how do you go about organising it all into a sensible order that subscribers can actually follow? So let me walk you through some simple steps to smash through some of those barriers. So number 1, decide your topic. Actually, a better way to think about it is, what problem does your course solve? See, people don't buy courses, they buy a result. They want to learn how to achieve a specific result. So what specific results can you show people how to achieve? What do you know how to do? Do you know how to paint pictures? Do you know how to replace a burst tyre? Are you good on LinkedIn? Do you breed gerbils? That's a good topic. Now, the order and sequence of lessons in your course. Simple answer. Organise the content chunks, the logical order that the student will do the thing in real life. Right? So what's the first action they need to take, and then what's next, and what's the last thing they need to do? So the first thing you need to do is get a male gerbil, and the second thing you need to do is get a female gerbil. Moving on. How fast can you get a course put together? Well, you're going to have to create the videos. So make them as short as you can, but long enough to teach the essentials of what someone needs to know. You can do that talking to your phone on record. You can use Zoom. Look at some of my other videos on how to use Zoom. You can do it on your laptop. If you have a face for radio like me, you can use a screen capture tool like loom.com to record the screen so you don't actually have to be in the video. You can just use PowerPoint or Keynote for your slides and you talk over them. Secondly, set up a website. Wix is free. WordPress, if you're a little bit more experienced, and they've got great membership site plugins that handle a lot of the work for you. There's also online course platforms like Teachable and Thinkific, if you're willing to spend a monthly fee to have it hosted on one of those. They also make it really easy to upload your lessons and your videos and handouts. Now you're going to need a front page that sells the course, like a sales page. Now your sales page is basically 4 things. It's here's why you should buy it, here's what it consists of, here's how it works, and here's how to sign up. Then underneath that, you get a PayPal Buy Now button or a Stripe button so members can pay you. So you sign up for an account with PayPal or Stripe, and now you can take credit card payments online. Then remember to tell the world on social media, announce that you've launched your new project on all of your accounts with a link to your brand new shiny membership site. So there you have it, some simplified steps to create and launch your very own online course. Now, we have a flagship program called the Guru Factory, where over 90 days we handle all of the technology. So we organise the PowerPoint slides for each module. We even set up the social media platforms for you to build out your audience. We even build out the online course as well. But that's actually step 7 of a 9-step roadmap, going from struggling and invisible to impacting thousands of people without years of trying to figure it out yourself. So you fancy making money while you sleep? How confident are you that you could do all of the steps that I've mentioned? I've tried to strip it right back and make it as simple as possible and as low cost. Now, as I said, we do all this for you as part of the Guru Factory program. If you'd like to see how an online course can fit into a 6-figure business model, then click the link somewhere near this video and you'll see my 150k treasure map, where I lay out a complete game plan that anybody can use to build multiple streams of income, not just the one. So go and check that out and let me know, and if I can help you, I'm more than happy to do so. Take it easy.